Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. SpaceX closes $60 billion deal for Cursor. Nvidia cuts its AI guarantee nearly in half. OpenAI's cash crunch warning and exec exodus. Dario Amodei fights back against regulatory capture critics. And finally, Musk claims Grok beats Anthropic on speed and cost. Let's get into it.
Elon Musk just bought his way into your code editor. SpaceX officially closed a $60 billion all-stock deal for Anysphere, the company behind Cursor, one of the most popular AI coding tools on the planet. Cursor's team is folding straight into SpaceX AI, where they'll be working on Grok Build, Grok Bot, and the Grok API. The pitch is simple. Give Cursor access to SpaceX's enormous compute fleet and turn it into the backbone of the entire Grok ecosystem. This isn't just an acquisition, it's the final piece of Musk's vertical stack. He's already got energy, rockets, compute, and now the actual tool developers use to write code every single day. SpaceX investors reportedly weren't thrilled about the dilution from an all-stock deal this size, but Musk clearly sees coding agents as the next battlefield, and he just bought a seat at the front of the line.
Now this one is a little concerning. This is something we should all be paying attention to.
Even Nvidia is getting nervous about how big OpenAI's data center bets have gotten. The Wall Street Journal reports Nvidia has scaled back a planned financial guarantee for OpenAI's massive Ohio data center project, originally floated around $250 billion, down to under $120 billion. That new number only covers the first phase of a facility designed to eventually hit 10 gigawatts of capacity, developed by SoftBank's SB Energy. This matters because Nvidia isn't some outside skeptic. It's the company that's profited more than anyone from the AI infrastructure gold rush. When the biggest backer of the boom starts trimming its own exposure, it's worth asking who's actually going to foot the bill for these trillion-dollar build-outs everyone keeps announcing.
Now this next story really got me thinking. This could change everything.
OpenAI's rough week just kept getting rougher. New reporting says Bridgewater Associates is projecting the company could run out of cash by the first quarter of 2027 without another massive raise. On top of that, OpenAI's chief revenue officer has reportedly exited, and the company's internal preparedness team, the group built specifically to catch dangerous AI behavior before it ships, has reportedly been dissolved. OpenAI's annualized revenue sits around $12 billion, trailing Anthropic's roughly $14.5 billion. For a company valued at $852 billion, that combination of a cash runway warning, a leadership exit, and a gutted safety team is not a great look, and it's fueling real questions about whether the growth story can keep outrunning the balance sheet.
All right, I will be honest, I was a little skeptical when I first saw this one, but hear me out.
Anthropic's CEO just spent his weekend defending himself online. Dario Amodei posted an unusually detailed thread pushing back on critics who say his push for AI regulation is really just a way to lock smaller competitors out of the market. His argument, frontier-focused rules, including pre-deployment testing that would apply even to open weight models, would actually protect smaller labs, not crush them. It's a rare move. Most lab CEOs stay quiet on this stuff in public. But with regulators circling and rivals like Grok leaning hard into a fast and cheap, no-lecture pitch, Amodei clearly felt like he needed to make the case himself, in public, in real time.
Okay, this next one. I am genuinely excited about this. You are going to love it.
While Dario Amodei was defending Anthropic's safety-first playbook online, Elon Musk was busy throwing a different kind of punch. Musk posted that Grok is now, quote, much faster and lower cost than Anthropic's best model, reigniting a rivalry that's been simmering for months. The timing is almost too perfect. One CEO making the case for caution and regulation, the other bragging about speed and price, both fighting for the same developers and the same enterprise customers. It's basically two competing bets on what actually wins this race, being the safest option on the market or being the fastest and cheapest. Right now, Musk is betting loud in public that speed wins.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.